Good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise number 6.2. So, second question we'll see it. I'll read the question. Find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. So, here he already said that 3645 is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. So what he is asking, to make this as a perfect square, with which number you have to multiply. So what you have to do is, for this in prime factorization, okay, you have to do prime factorization for this number. So first, being it is odd number, it is not even number, because in units place if you are seeing 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it is even number. So least prime is 2. With the 2 it will go. But 5 is there in units place, so it won't go in 2 table. 2 after you have to check for 3. Divisibility rules will be there in lower classes, 4th and 5th classes. So if you apply divisibility rules, 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 will go in 3 table, means this entire will go in 3 table. So in 3 table, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 ones are, 3 fives are. So exactly it is divided. Okay. Now again what you have to do, same divisibility rule of 3 only, because last 5 you got it. 5 if you got it, it won't go in 2 table. Then 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 7, 8, 9. Again 9 will go in 3 table. So 3 fours are and 0, 3 fives are. Again 5 plus 4 9, 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 fives are. Again 3 table, 3 fours are, 3 fives are. Again 3 table, 3 ones are, 3 fives are. Again 3 table, 3 fives are. So you got like this. So then I am writing here 3645. When you will get it is, how many threes you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 threes you got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 threes and 1 5. Now to find square root, what I said is, after doing prime factorization, make pairs. I said pair means same numbers you have to make it as pair. So same numbers you paired, but one is, it's not paired. Okay. So what you have to do is, if you multiply again with one more 5, then it becomes pair or not. So to get square root, what you have to do is, in pairing one, you should take 1 1, and all should be perfect pairs should be there. So that only 3645, to make square root exactly, 1 5 is remained. So it doesn't have a perfect square root. So what you have to do is, to make 3645 as a perfect square, we should multiply with 5. Okay. Then third question, if you read, find the smallest number by which 2400 is to be multiplied to get a perfect square, and also find the square root of the resulting number. So same problem, but here he did not ask square root, but here he asked the square root. Now what you have to do is, 2400, third question, 2400 you have to take, and prime factorization you have to do. So what I said, prime factorization, first go for least prime number 2. So since it is even number, it will go in 2 table. 2 1200s are 2400. Again 0 is there, 2 600s are. Again 0 is there, 2 300s are. Again 0, 2 150s are. Again 0, 2 75s are. Now it won't go in 2 table, because in units place you got 5. So you have to check for 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 will go in 3 table. So in divisibility rule of 3, it will go in 3 table. 3 twos are, 3 fives are. Again 25, 5 fives are. And what I said to you is, make pairs. I said same numbers you have to do pairing. So what is unpaired means, 1 2 is there, 1 3 is there. You should get 1 more 2, 1 more 3. Means you have to multiply with 1 2 and 1 3. Means 6 you have to multiply. So 2400, to make it as a perfect square, we should multiply with 1 2 and 1 3, means 2 3s are how much here? 6. So with 6 if you multiply, then what happens is all numbers pairs will be there. Now if you want to find square root for this, after multiplying find its square root, he said, yes or no? So after multiplying, if you want to get square root, what you have to do is, so I am writing here 2400. So before multiplying you got 2's 2, again 2, 1 2 only you got, 1 3, and pair of 5 you got it. See here, it is pair, it is pair, it is pair. These two are not pair. So you are multiplying with 6 means 1 2 and 1 3, yes or no? Now these two paired, these two paired. So to make a square root, of this number became 2400 into 6, you got it. Now what happens is, for pair you should take only one number, I said. 2 2's are there, 1 2 I took it. 2 2's are there, again 1 2. Again 2 2's are there, 1 2. 2 3's are there, 1 3. 2 5's are there, 1 5. Now multiply it. 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 5's are 40. 43 is a 120. So you are getting a 120 as its perfect square root. Its perfect square root. So next, what he is asking, see, find the smallest number by which 7776 is to be divided to get a perfect square. Till now multiplied, he said. Now what he is asking? Divided. But both are having same procedure. Okay, 7776 is there. So this prime factorization you have to do. It is fourth problem. Okay. Then in units place, which number you are saying? 6. So it is even number or odd number? Even number. Even number means what is the least prime number? 2. So with 2 you have to divide. 2 3's are 6. 17. 2 8's are 16. Again 2 8's are. Again 2 8's are. Again 8 means even number. 2 1's are, 2 9's are, 4's are, 4's are. Again even number. 2 9's are, 2 7's are, 2 2's are. Again even number you got it. 2 4's are, 2 8's are, 2 6's are. Again even number. 2 2's are, 4's are, 3's are. Now see 243. It is not even number. So if you add that, now 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 table it will go. 3 81's are. 3 27's are. 3 9's are. 3 3's are. So here you have to make pairs or not. Pairs means one pair is there, one pair is there, only 1 2 is there, one pair is there, one pair is there, only 1 3 is there. So with which you have to divide to make it as a perfect means already 2's pair is there, 2's again pair is there, only 1 2 is there, and 3's pair is there, again 3 pair is there, 1 3 is there. So this and this, it has to cancel, means with same numbers you have to divide. Then these two will be cancelled. So to make it as a perfect square, what you have to do is you have to divide with 6. With which you have to multiply, with that only you have to divide. But square root, it will be decreases. Previously we got 120 or not. Now you won't get 120 because 1 2, 1 2, 1 3, 1 3 only you have to take. Then previous problem, this cancelled 2's also became pair and you got one more. So the number is increased. Now number will be decreases. So here what you have to write answer to make 7776 as a perfect square. As a perfect square, you should divide with 6. So smallest number is 6. With 6 if you divide, then it becomes a perfect square. Now if you go for fifth question, what he asked is 1521 trees are planted in a garden such a way that there are as many trees in each row as there are rows in the garden. See here, trees and rows are equal means it will be like a square only. Okay, it will be like a square. See, like this it is called square, means all the sides are equal. So this is called rows and columns. You should know about rows and columns. 1 2 3 4 5. Again 1 2 3 4 5. So here what you have to do is, like this, how many rows are there, that many columns are there. Here 5 rows are there, 5 columns are there, because I drawn here. Like that, how many plants you have to plant, we don't know. So X plants in one row, X plants in the column. Okay, X square is equals to 1521. So root X square is equals to root 1521. Square root of X is equals to 1521. You should take it. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So here you have to take 3 3s are 9, because 4 4s become 16 is greater than 15. So 3 3s are 9 you took it. 15 minus 9, if you do it, 6 will come, and 21 as it is. And then 621. 3 is double. Double means you have to multiply with 2 and write in tens place here. And 60 is it is 60 number. Okay. Here whatever number you will write, with that you have to multiply. Like if you write 1 here, you should multiply with 61 ones. If you write 2 here, 62 twos. If you write 3 here, 63 threes. Like that in rough multiply it. So 65 5s if you do it, you are getting 5 5s 25, 5 2, 5 6 30, 32. 325 is smaller than 625. So 67 7s, 7 7s 49, 9 4, 7 6, 42 plus 4 69. Again small one. 69 9s, 9 9s 81, 1 8, 9 6s 54 plus 8 is 62. So you are getting 69 9s. 69 9s 621. Okay, 0 you got it. So why he kept 9 means, see which two same numbers to multiply to get 1 in units place. Means 1 1s 1 will come, 9 9s also in units place 1 will come. Like that you have to check it for doing square root. Okay, this you will get when you are doing more problems. Now the last question in this exercise, that is the area of a square field 5184 meter square. Find the area of rectangular field whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of the square field and whose length is twice of its breadth. So here area of square field is given. Ninth question I am writing. Area of square field. Area of square field. How much they given? 5184 is given. Area of a square formula is side into side. A square is equals to 5184. If you want A, you should take square root of these two. Square root cancelled. A is equals to square root of 5184 is there. So square root of 1084, I said all the methods which you have to do it. So but I like this division method. Okay. So in this division method, from units place onwards, for every two digits you have to take a bar. Now first bar is there for 51. I have to read the tables. That is 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. But 7 7s are how much here? 49. No? 7 7s are 49. So from 51, if you subtract 49, you are getting 2. And 84 you have to take down. This 7 is doubled means 14 it becomes, means 140. So 142 2s are if you do it, you are getting 284. So 2s are 284. How much you got means 72 you got it. Side of a square you got as 72. Then perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square formula is 4 into side. 4 into 72. 72 multiply with 4. 4 to the 8, 4 7 is 28. So you got as 288. So what is 288? 288 is perimeter of a square. Now read the problem perfectly. Find the area of a rectangular field. He is asking to find area of a rectangular field whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of the square field. So perimeter of the rectangle is equals to perimeter of perimeter of square. He given already. Their perimeters are equal. So perimeter of square you got as 288 or not? Then perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is equal to 288. But again he given whose length is twice of its breadth. So breadth if you assume as x, length becomes 2x is equals to 288. For 2x if you add x, you are getting 3x is equals to 288. 2 into 3x is 6x is equals to 288. X is equals to 288 by 6. So 6 4 is 24, 6 8 is 48. You got x is equals to how much here? 48. But he did not ask to find the value of x. What is x here? Breadth you assumed as x, length becomes 2x. Okay, so you got breadth. So length becomes how much? Length becomes 2x. 2 into, here you got 48. 2 into 48. 2 into 48 is 96. 96 is length. Then he asked to find area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle formula is what? Length into breadth. Length is 96. Breadth is 48. So 96 and 48 if you multiply, 8 6 is 48, 8 4, 8 9 is 72, plus 4 76, 4 6 is 24, 4 2, 4 9 36 plus 2 38, 8 0 1, 16 6 1 4. So you are getting 4608. This is the area of a rectangle. So this much area of rectangle if you are taking, its perimeter and the square's perimeters are equal. Okay. So like this you have to do. Here this method is very important, 784. How to find square root by division method I already said to you in a previous video. So now also just maximum practice it like this. So if 3 are there for pairing, from units place onwards you have to pair. So you paired for 2 digits only, 1 remainder. So you should take only one number, that's it. When 7 is there, 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 becomes more than 7. So you should not take 3. Like that, if you practice, you will get this one. Then we will go for next exercise. So in next exercise also you have only finding square roots only. So you can do. If you have any doubts, just ask me. So we will see remaining in the next class. Thank you.